We'll guide you through how to understand ClickUp pricing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ClickUp website using your desktop browser. Once there, locate the Pricings tab at the top of the page and click on it. You'll be taken to the Pricing Overview page where ClickUp has laid out its various plans. You'll see options like Free Forever, Unlimited, Business, and Enterprise. The Free Forever plan is perfect if you're just getting started and want to try out ClickUp without any commitment. It offers features like 100 megabytes of storage, unlimited tasks, and two-factor authentication. The Unlimited plan, which is the next tier, is ideal for small teams. It includes unlimited storage, integrations, dashboards, and guests. If you have a growing team, the Business plan might be more suitable as it offers advanced features like timelines, mind maps, and goal tracking. For larger organizations with more specific needs, the Enterprise plan offers custom solutions and premium support. To choose the right plan, consider the size of your team and the features you'll need. If you're unsure, you can start with the Free Forever plan and upgrade as your needs grow. Each plan's details are clearly listed with what you get, making it easier to decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.